So I called a couple different companies to see if I could change up the lighting in my backyard because it was dark and it was depressing and there were some safety concerns. So we looked at a couple different companies because I just thought it was due diligence to just make sure that I knew what I was talking about and compare costs and services. And what I found was Washington Outdoor Lighting was a comparable price, but went so far beyond with my expectations of how things were going to be done, the communication, and then really it was just so great to have a presentation in front of me that had pictures of our yards with lights and then side by side with a comparison of a way that the light would look in that situation. It was just really straightforward and everybody was super professional and super fun, and it was a great experience. They went way beyond my expectations of how tidy it was. There was just people working in the yard and there was never a mess. It never looked like it was a construction site, and yet a whole lot of lights were put in. There was wire all over the place. You know what, there's a lot of reasons to go with Washington Outdoor Lighting. I mean, the cost is comparable, the work is great, the fixtures are really high-end, beautiful material, but mostly I would say that it's the creativity of the lighting plan and just like the attention to detail of where things could be put to really make a difference. Because in our backyard now, you can see behind us, it's a lot of green and there's not a lot of definition, but when the lights come on at night, it just adds so much depth and there's just a whole different feeling. It's really resort-like. It's really an escape. It's something totally different. And I've been out in this yard for so long, decades, and it just feels completely different. And it's a really lovely entry to our house now that was missing before. We've lived here for 20 years and we're just kicking ourselves that we didn't do it sooner. It just makes such a huge difference.